Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Okay, good evening, guys. My name is Madhu. I'm the principal trainer for these classes. I will send you this recorded video to everyone after the session. No need to write anything or no need to save something. The files, whatever I am sending, I will be sending you all those things to all the people. It is not required to write. So let me to introduce about myself and start this orientation session. Okay, here whoever joined late, no need to worry because this session is being recorded. I will be sending this recorded video. Okay, as if you are aware, already you are here means, you have gone through couple of slides or information about me. I am from non-IT background. I am a mechanical engineer. That means from non-IT background. Lot of you guys have asked me the question, can I do this course? You can. I'm from non-IT background. Am I eligible to do this course? This is what you have asked me.
Quello computer no. Io non rispondi fate su
Okay, all of your mics are in mute condition now to avoid the background noise. If you want to talk, please unmute yourself and you can ask the question. Okay, today, billions of the people are working in IT industry. Do you think that everyone is from IT background? Did they study IT courses in their university or college? Everyone? No. So, majority people never studied any IT courses in their university or college. Outside the university, they learned just like you and me. As I told you, I am from non-IT background. But to get into the IT industry, I have done many courses. Just like you guys, I learned outside the university. Okay, so to prove myself in the industry, I have done some courses like, software quality management course from IISc Bangalore and project management course from IISc Bangalore. I also did some certifications like project management, professional ITL infrastructure library certification, certified software test engineer. I'm a certified product consultant and trained on Six Sigma Green Belt. So that means if you do some certifications, it is an added advantage, but it is not compulsory. Certifications are not compulsory. I have around 22 years of software testing experience in India, USA, and Canada in multiple domains like healthcare, banking, e-commerce, pharma, materials management, human resources, telecom, insurance, investment, finance, and energy. That means if you need any kind of domain knowledge, if your interested job is that business analyst, you need to know the domain knowledge. I can share you the domain knowledge, whatever I have. Not only me, my team has, with the different domains they have worked on. My team members, they are also from non-IT background and they worked as a QA managers, BA managers for many companies throughout the world. They can also share you the required domain knowledge. Okay, I have played multiple roles as an automation manager, architect, QA manager, test architect, automation tester, QA lead, specialist, and business analyst. These kind of the roles in many companies. And I have trained more than 4,000 individuals and corporates in 400 batches on many things like QA, QTP, Selenium, DA, SQL, PMP, these kind of courses. We have many corporate clients throughout the world, including Italy, Denmark, USA, Canada, government organizations, state governments, federal governments are our clients. I can help you with, training and placement activity. I will explain you those details now in the next 1.5 hours. Today is just orientation only. Actual subject will not be discussed. Today, our goal is that to know what tools and technologies you are required to learn, how to do the job hunt, how much salary you can expect, what kind of help is provided by Madhu or Guruface, how many hours you need to study. All those details are discussed now. Okay, so here, as I told you, we have many people in my team. All are working as a QA managers and automation managers for many companies. Meghna is one of our principal trainer. She is holding electronics degree. That means from non-IT background, just like most of us. And Sri is another trainer on QA, manual testing, business analysis, SQL, and automation. We have another excellent trainer named Amar. Is an all-rounder. He is expert in web services testing and performance testing. He can also be providing a few classes. And Ether is expert in mobile automation and Selenium. We have one junior trainer. Ishwar is providing classes on Java, Python, SQL, and QA also. Okay, so I think all of you have received this schedule. Have you received this Excel sheet schedule?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
great. Thank you for confirmation, guys. So, we will be delivering the classes as per this schedule. If you didn't receive the schedule, I will resend it after the session. You need not to write anything. Okay, let me quickly go over this schedule. If you are new to IT industry, I know that there is some programming fear for you. To get rid of programming fear, we are providing 5 weeks free classes on Python programming, Java programming, and cloud. These kind of the classes by Ishwara is your trainer, and he can provide you 5 weeks free training Monday through Friday at 12 noon Eastern time. What is the objective? To get rid of programming fear. Oh, IT programming is very tough. This is a kind of perception for most of you guys. This is nothing, Java programming is nothing for a QA automation tester. If your goal is that to do the QA automation, no need to learn entire Java. Java is vast, It's not required to learn too much of Java. If your intended job is that a QA automation tester with the help of Selenium or APM mobile automation, we teach just 20 commands. If you learn those 20 commands, you can be able to manage your interview and perform your job independently. So for that purpose, we are teaching free Python and Java plus cloud like AWS, Azure, DevOps, cloud computing. These kind of the concepts also we will be providing as part of this course. And today is the first day for QA, manual testing, and business analysis. I know that few people have joined here for business analysis. This is a common orientation for both QAs and BAs. We are specialists only in QA and BA. We won't teach anything other subjects, only QA and BA. Okay, no development, no other activities. Only we are specialists in only QA and BA. Okay, and what you need to learn as a part of QA. If your intended job is at QA or QA automation tester, I recommend you one package for you, QA recommended training package. First 5 weeks, learn QA manual testing and SQL. Okay, after that we will help you to interview preparation and resume preparation, these kind of things. Okay, and if your intended job is at BA, you can learn these kind of things. Okay, 1 second, guys. Just please go through this. One second. Okay, sorry about it. So let me explain this one. If your intended job is a QA job, QA manual testing or automation, first 5 weeks, please do QA manual testing and SQL, and next week 6 to 10, do Selenium automation and web services testing, and week 11 to 15, do the project training. Then what is the objective of project training? It is a simulation of the actual projects. We will give you multiple projects to get a hands-on experience. in the real time at our workplace, how you perform in the same style. We will give you we will conduct the daily stand-ups in Agile methodology style and record the sessions for you and provide you the real-time working environment kind of feeling. Daily, one project manager will come to your meeting and assign you the task through Jira board and give you the work and take back the work, and reviews will happen in a group, and 8 hours sufficient work will be given to you by your Scrum Master. Those things, those details are too much for you if I explain at this time, but just follow this recommended package. You are good to go and work as a QA. If you wanted to work as a BA, this is the recommended package. Do QA manual testing and SQL, and BA and domain project training as a part of this course. So this is the recommended package. However, based on your personal circumstances, you can pick any one of the course also. Here we have so many courses. Pick any one of them. If you need some personalized guidance, please call me tomorrow morning. I will help you on one-on-one basis. Because this session is being recorded and we have more than 30 people here in the session, it's not a good idea to ask the questions now. Please call me tomorrow. I will explain you based on your personal circumstances what course you need to do. But as I told you, this is my recommended package. Okay, so we also customize the course based on your need. We also customize the dates and timings. If you want mornings or evenings, weekdays, weekends, we can customize the training dates and timings. We also provide you self-paced training with support on Java, project support and lab practice support. Everything will be providing as a part of self-paced live online classes. Okay, this is our learning roadmap if you wanted to work as a full stack tester. What is a full stack tester? You should be able to do anything. You see, as a software tester, going forward, it is compulsory to learn all those tools and technologies mentioned here. Oh, then you may feel that, too much is there to learn, right? Too many things are there to learn. Yes, there are so many things, so many items are there to learn. Why you have to learn? Because you are opting for more money. Okay, so just please remember, no pain means no gain. No pain, no gain. If you know more, you will be able to learn. If you learn more, you can earn more. Learn more, then you earn more. That is the concept. So, if you are not interested to learn as many tools and technologies as possible, your pay will be less. Let me give you one example. If I work as a billing associate in Walmart, how much I can get? Any idea? If I work as a billing associate, Walmart pay me around $15 per hour. Okay. If I work as a software tester in the same Walmart, what is my minimum payment? $50 per hour. You see the difference? 50 and 50. $15 per hour and $50 per hour. See the difference. Same company, same Walmart pays $50 per hour for a software tester, whereas just 15 for a billing associate. Why they are paying more to software tester? Because some skill is required to perform this software testing job. It's not a rocket science. We can do it. It is doable. Just a determination is required. In your bachelor's degree, you studied minimum 10 subjects per year. Okay? 10 subjects per year you studied in our bachelor's degree. This is nothing but 3 or 4 subjects. Whatever the roadmap I have shown you, just 2 or 3 subjects effort, not more than that. It is doable. We can do it. I'm not scaring you guys, by showing all those tools and technologies about your in your roadmap. But this is the fact. I wanted to make it clear before you join in this session. If you are from non-IT background, if you never studied any programming or IT related subjects, it takes minimum 3 to 4 months time for you to face the interview. Minimum 3 to 4 months time. It is not possible to give the interview in just 1 or 2 months time. You need to face the competition. A lot of people in the market are attending this kind of classes, but they are not interested to learn each and every courses, whatever I am showing you. To stand out of the crowd, to stand in the front row, you have to learn multiple tools and technologies. Your hiring manager likes you if you know multiple tools. Nowadays, companies are looking for ninja testers. What is ninja tester? You can be able to do anything. See, ninja tester has multiple skills. Instead of depth, focus on the breadth. Instead of learning one single tool like Selenium, hey, I want to learn Selenium first. Okay, learn it. Don't just depend on single tool like Selenium. No need to learn in depth. Focus on the breadth. Okay, as many tools as possible, try to learn. Here one question from someone, sending a private question. For busy mothers, how much extra time we need to put? Okay, per day, if you spend 4 hours per day, okay, 4 hours, I can say that 4 hours per day, if you committed, you can be able to face the interview in 4 months time, minimum. Minimum 4 months you have to study. If you are working part-time, it's a part-time job, yes, you can be able to spend 4 hours. If you are working full-time, that depends on, you have to adjust your schedule, you may need to work hard during weekends. Most of our classes are scheduled during weekends to help working professionals. You can do in a fast pace or slow pace also, based on your available time. I know that for working mothers, it's very difficult to manage the family, studies, interview facing, all those things. However, whatever may be the case, it is compulsory to learn multiple tools and technologies. We have many tools are there, like test management tools, web automation tools, desktop application tools, mobile automation, web services, performance testing. So many things are there. So there was a question, are there any jobs for manual testing? Why I need to learn automation? This is the question. In fact, we have majority jobs are there in the manual testing only. At least 80% jobs. 80% of your time you will be spending on manual testing only. No one can replace manual testers. It is impossible. It is impossible to replace manual testers with automation tool. Manual testing is compulsory. At the same time, automation tools are helping hands to manual testers. Just they adds value. If you know automation tool, it adds value. But manual testing is the base for anyone. Without manual testing, it is impossible to learn the tools. No one will hire you, if you are not aware of manual testing. That means everything is required. Manual testing is required. Automation testing tools also required. It is a very competitive world now. Whoever is having multiple tools and technologies on the resume, only those people only are able to get the interview calls. If you have any questions, please send me a text message here. I am happy to answer your questions. However, if you feel that is your personal question, please ask me tomorrow. Instead of disturbing the entire session, if you ask me a question tomorrow, I can assist you. Okay, so this is the running notes. I will be sending you this running notes every day. No need to write anything. Whatever we teach, same thing is there in this 172 pages document. Okay, I will send you this every day. A lot of materials also dispatched along with recorded video. Now this session is being recorded, right? I will send you the recorded video also. Okay, this is our website, and we are located in Delaware, USA, and in Toronto, Canada, and guruface.com. We had a marketing platform, Guruface, and we have many courses are hosted at Guruface, including development also. We are providing only QA and BA from Get Software Services. Guruface is hosting so many courses in IT, non-IT industry. Whatever is required, you can go and check in Guruface. Okay, best time to call me for doubts clarification is from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. During weekdays, and weekends you can call me anytime. This is my phone number, 215-297-4646, and this is my WhatsApp number. You can call me or send me text messages or emails, whatever you like. Best mode of communication is email or phone. Least preferred mode of communication is WhatsApp or text messages. Okay, this is BA or QA class. Audio is available at 9 p.m. and in general your mic and telephone will be in mute condition to avoid the background noise. If you would like to speak, please send me text message. Okay guys, here a lot of people joined late. No need to worry. I will be sending you the recorded video to everyone after the session. Okay, so whoever needs this recorded videos, running notes and material, could you please give me your email address in the chat message? I will send it. I know that few people joined late, right? If you would like to receive the recorded video, material and running notes, please send me your email address either to chat or email to info@getsoftwareservices.com. Okay, I will wait here for 1 minute, guys. I will pause it for a few seconds. Could you type your email address in the chat message? If you are not able to give the email address, I cannot be able to send you the recorded video, running notes and material. Okay, great. I have received multiple messages in privately. Thank you very much, Rashma, Hussein, Pooja, Renu, Oshio, Annie. Okay, great. A lot of people send me the messages. Okay, fine. Let us go back to this one. Okay, great. Thank you very much, everyone. Okay, if you are not able to hear over headset, please dial to the above conference number. Here I have the conference numbers. If you still have any issues to connect to the session, please contact the customer support number. Someone will assist you to connect to the session. Okay, due to any reason, if you are disconnected from the meeting, please use the same link to join in the session. Okay, for better vision, I recommend you guys to connect your laptop to a 50 inches TV. All of you have the 50 inches TV, right? So if you connect to your TV, you have excellent sound system. Even there is a big disturbance around you, you can be able to attend the session without any problem. Not only that, every day I will send you recorded video, right? Play the recorded video on your big TV. So even kids are home, you can just mute your laptop and attend the session. Okay, that is the advantage of connecting your laptop to a big TV. Never attend a class by using your cell phone. I know that couple of you guys are using cell phone. It is not a good idea to attend to our cell phone because its font is particularly automation classes. code you cannot be able to read properly when you attend through cell phone. Okay, whoever joined here for business analyst course, you have to do two roles. One thing is that QA role and BA role, right? So I have explained that. So in this recommended package, if you wanted to work as a business analyst, this is the recommended package. First 5 weeks do the QA and SQL, and the last week 6 to 10 you can do BA and domain project. Okay, BM is business analysts are required to do user acceptance testing. That's why BA must aware of the QA manual testing also. BAs need to do user acceptance test cases writing, test plans writing, defect tracking, reporting, agile testing, test of photo estimation, automation scripts execution. All those activities are required to perform by business analyst. Oh, sorry guys, I was on mute. Due to some reason, I don't know why it came to mute condition. Okay guys, so let me do, thank you for notifying me, Rashma. Why it was on mute? Okay, so if you are applying, let me to go back and explain. So if you are trying to apply for business analyst, you are required to learn all user acceptance testing activities also. You have to write UAT test cases, UAT test planning, defect tracking, reporting, agile testing, test effort estimation, automation scripts execution. All those things should be performed by a business analyst. So for you, the recommended package is that learn QA, SQL, business analyst, and domain knowledge. Advantage of learning those things is that you can be able to apply for BA cum QA jobs also. If your intended job is a manual tester, you have to learn 5 weeks course on Friday, Saturday, Sunday from 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Eastern Time, plus 4 hours of interview preparation. We will be learning manual testing concepts on SDLC, test lifecycle, defect lifecycle, etc. And HP ALM Quality Center tool also we will be learning. We will give you the remote lab access to practice this tool. What is remote lab access? From your home, okay, you can be able to connect to our lab remotely. Okay, this is your home and this is our lab. You can be able to connect to the lab from your home to do the practicals. How you are able to connect to the lab? If it is a workplace, you will be connecting through VPN. What is VPN? Virtual Private Network. Okay, here you will be using the TeamViewer as a software to connect to the remote lab access. How to install the TeamViewer and how to use the remote lab, I will explain you later. Okay, so HPLM Quality Center, you can be able to practice from your home. Jira on cloud, I will give you the Jira username and password to do the practice. We will also learning mobile testing, agile testing, basics on QTP, basics on performance testing, introduction to Unix, introduction to SQL, introduction to Selenium, API testing, performance testing, mobile testing. Everything we will be learning as a part of trial classes also. Now you can attend all those things as a part of trial classes. This highlighted stuff. Okay, all above concepts are must for BA trainees also. As I told you, if you know more, you will get more. More knowledge makes you perfect. Practice makes you perfect. I recommend you to learn as many tools and technologies as possible. We also have another course, Advanced QTP or UFT, for 5 weeks. on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday from 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. We'll be discussing about basics of QTP, VB scripting. As I told you, 20 commands only we'll teach. It could be Java or VB scripting or Ruby or C#, anything. 20 commands are sufficient. No need to learn entire programming. This is not our job. What is your intended job? Your intended job is that QA automation tester. If that is the case, it is not compulsory to learn 100% on that particular language. If you know very simple commands and if condition, for loop, these kind of things, if you learn it, that is sufficient. No need to learn entire VB scripting. VB scripting is used in UFT tool. Okay, advanced QTP, integration of QTP and quality center, descriptive programming, database testing, recovery scenarios, API testing, framework, coding standards, naming standards, all those things will be discussing as a part of UFT. We have another major course is Selenium. Okay, most of you guys are interested in this one. Tomorrow morning we are starting Selenium class 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern time. If you are available, you try for 1 week trial classes and take the decision accordingly. Here we are teaching Java 20 commands. As I told you, we won't teach everything on Java. Our goal is that not to learn Java. However, we are covering a lot on Java and Python in our free classes. If you are interested in Ruby and C#, we can arrange you separate sessions. Java or Python are sufficient. 99.9% all companies are using Java and Python only. Ruby and C# are not required to learn. We will also learn about OOPS concepts, TestNG, Selenium IDE, WebDriver, Jenkins, JIT, continuous integration, continuous deployment concepts, Maven framework, page object mode framework, other frameworks, integration of Jenkins and JIT, database testing using Selenium automation, and Java. If you want JavaScript, we will give you additional classes, BDD, Cucumber development framework with help of Cucumber also we will be discussing in this Selenium classes. There is a lot to learn. Plus, in addition to that, we will provide you 4 hours of interview preparation session. Oh, too many things. First time you are hearing a lot of new technical terms, right? Don't worry. This is first timers face this kind of issue. This is the expected behavior. What is the expected behavior? What is the expected behavior? You may feel that, hey, software is very tough. Automation is very tough. I'm not able to understand anything. It is flying from my mind. This kind of feeling everyone is having, right? So expected behavior is that concepts are very tough. Not able to understand. I say that don't expect to understand 100% in this class, in live class. This is a live tutor interactive class. Right? I am the live tutor. I am teaching. You may not be able to understand 100% first time itself. Don't worry. If you are not able to understand, no need to ask in the class, hey, please explain. No need to ask. Just play the recorded video 2 times. If you still not able to understand, I will set up one-on-one meeting and I will explain you. So what is your job? If you are not able to understand, follow this 3P 3R technique. What is 3P 3R? Play, pause, practice. 3 times. Okay. So let me do. Right. Play, pause the video, play the recorded video, pause the recorded video, and practice whatever is explained in the class. And repeat it. How many times you have to repeat it? 3 times. Repeat. If you do this like this is nothing. You can easily understand. If you fail to do this one, You will give up. You will leave this one. Hey, this is not my cup of tea, and you will leave it. Never expect to understand 100% in this live class, particularly for non-IT background. I know that 99% of the people here are from non-IT background. Whoever from the non-IT background, those guys, please follow this technique, 3P3R. First time, attend the class. After that, play the video, pause the video, practice the video, repeat it, repeat it, repeat it. 3 times if you do it, this is nothing. Never ever give up because you are not able to understand something. What happens if you give up? You are the loser. You can never be able to come back to the industry if you give up. Okay, so that is up to you how you wanted to set your mark and go. Get set, go. So I will explain you, lot of concepts, guys, today about what tools and technologies you have to learn. Just I am explaining you about Selenium, right? Okay, Selenium. I'm going back to the Selenium. Yes, I'm here at the Selenium. Okay, so after the Selenium, let me give you some concept on SQL. Tomorrow morning 9 a.m. we have the class on SQL. One second, guys. Okay, tomorrow morning 9 a.m. This is also free as a part of trial class. You can attend 1 week trial class. Every course you can attend 1 week trial classes. Whatever is given here in this Excel sheet. You have this Excel sheet. I think all of you have received this Excel sheet, right? Everything you can attend 1 week trial classes. 1 calendar week you can all of you guys, you can attend 1 week trial classes and everything. And Python, if you have the Python, Java and Cloud, you have the weekdays, and remaining classes you can attend as per the schedule given here. I will send you this Excel sheet to all the people after the session. And tomorrow morning 9 a.m. please attend the SQL. This is for beginners. That means who never studied any SQL, okay, for those kind of people. Just remember, no SQL means no interview call. All QAs, BAs, developers, everyone should know SQL. There is no exception. Like first month, I recommend you to learn QA and SQL or BA or SQL, and second month web services and Selenium, and third month learn the project training. This is my recommendation. And another most important subject is that web services are API testing. By using some tools like SOAP UI, you can find detailed course content at the link. In my running notes, I am giving the links. You need not to write anything. I will send you this running notes, recorded video and material. As I told you, if you want to receive the material and recorded video, just send me your email address in the chat message. This is also 5 weeks from morning 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. on Saturday, Sunday. So tomorrow morning we have the web services session, APM mobile automation. Now all of you are using the mobile apps. That means too much of demand in the too much of demand for the mobile. Okay, mobile apps testing. You can attend those sessions from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern time. BA classes, as I told you, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday also we have the classes. In addition to Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You can use meeting room links given against that course. You see, For every class, I have given the meeting rooms. Follow the meeting room number, room number 1 or 2, whatever may be the, you can attend accordingly. We are also providing ISTQB certification course on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 10:30 a.m. You can attend this also for 1 week trial classes. In project training, we have 1 month's full-time training from 11:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time, Tuesday through Friday. What it is? We will have the daily stand-up meeting for 1 hour at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. This project training will be delivered in agile style. Every day, daily stand-ups will happen in Scrum meetings. Your Scrum Master will assign you the work through Jira board, and task will be given to you. We will also covering something like Jira, Quality Center, Test Trail, or automation, or performance testing, web services testing, everything, whatever is required to do as a manual tester at our workplace, those things will be discussed in project training. What is the objective? To get real-time hands-on experience. Now, if you get a hands-on experience, then only you can be able to answer in the interview and perform your job independently. In this project, you will have the project manager, QA manager, BAs, QAs, automation testers, multiple roles are there. So, to quickly deliver you the doubts, we will create a WhatsApp group also. Whoever joined in this project training, you can ask the questions in the WhatsApp group. You will get the quick answers in the WhatsApp group. And your task will be daily monitored by your Scrum Master or project manager and provide you the feedback every day. Your work will be reviewed and work will be given to you. Main objective is that to get the hands-on experience. That is the objective of project training. You can attend that also. At the end of the course, we will also help you to get the freelance projects. Freelance projects are the alpha or beta projects given by some companies like Amazon, Facebook, Walmart. These kind of the companies will provide you the freelance projects. Objective is that to get real-time hands-on experience on the live projects offered by Fortune 500 companies. And what is the objective? To get some money, some pocket money also. Here one question from Navaneet. When it will start? Okay, just my answer is that check the Excel sheet. When is the project training? 25th May, Tuesday. You can find project training 25th May, Tuesday at 11:30. Okay, so if you want to know the more details, you can go through this link. We are also conducting another training, performance testing by using JMeter and LoadRunner. This is another 5 weeks course. We are also offering some other one-on-one courses on artificial intelligence, IoT, data science, Hadoop, big data, data warehouse testing, ETL testing, any kind of testing related activities. We can provide you one-stop solution. You are not required to go here and there if it is related to the software testing. Any course, training and support. Support means real time. If you have any issues at our workplace, we can provide you on-job support also. Those things we can provide you. Okay, so what next after course completion? What is our goal? To get the job, right? For that, I can assist you to get you the interview calls. I can push you to interview room. It is our responsibility to clear the interview. If you are not able to convince the interviewer, it is impossible to get the job. What is your job? Convince the interviewer in the interview room. That is your job. So that's why we say no job guarantee. Lot of people ask me the question, before coming to this session, is there any job guarantee? I say no, there is no job guarantee. Could you tell me what university is giving the job guarantee? What course if I study I will get the job? Can any one of you give me the guarantee? Hey, if I do this chartered accountant course, is there any job guarantee? If I study law, is there any job guarantee? If I study medicine, is there any job guarantee? No. Nowhere job guarantee is available. So, getting of the job is in our hands. If you have the right skill set, getting of the job is not a problem. Today, how many people are unemployed in IT industry? Any idea? Less than 2%. IT industry unemployment rate is less than 2% in this COVID time. Not only COVID time, in 2008 recession time, economical recession time also, IT industry unemployment rate is less than 2%. That means 98% people are employed in IT industry. That means, do you think that jobs are available or no? Yes, jobs are available. Every day, thousands of the people are getting hired in IT industry with excellent packages. Above the national salary average, people are getting the jobs. So this data is sufficient to prove that no need to give the job guarantee. Job guarantee is in our hands. Getting of the jobs in our hands. But I found that a lot of training institutes are cheating by giving the job guarantee. Just they say that, hey, pay $3,000, $4,000 for getting the job. No, that's not true. Jobs are not there in pocket. Just they randomly apply for you. They ask you to give them your resume. They will start applying it. One fine day, they will arrange the interview. They will get the interview call because they are applying hundreds of the companies every day. So, if you are not able to speak in the interview, they cannot give you the job. What is your name? My name is Madhu. I have to tell that in the interview, right? So, if I am not able to tell, no job. So, please don't get trapped with the job guarantee word. Don't waste your thousands of the dollars by giving, by paying for, job guarantee. I will explain you how to get the job. No need to pay thousands of the dollars to anyone. If you have the subject, you can get the job easily by going to these websites in USA and Canada. You can go through these websites. I will help you with one-on-one resume preparation. What I do? One-on-one resume help. Not in the group class. You and me only will be there in the go-to meeting. Either me or one of our associates will help you with resume preparation and mock interviews. Mock interviews is a simulation of the actual interview. So mock interviews also will conduct and get you the confidence to face the interview. We can explain you what mistakes you are doing, how to improve the subject. These kind of things we'll explain in mock interviews. I will explain you a couple of things here. How to search for a job. Okay, let me show you something on Dice.com. What is Dice.com? Dice.com is a popular technology job search site in USA. I can help you with the resume preparation after course completion. Okay, this is the job. Let me to search for QA. QA, how many jobs are there? Let us check. Okay, I'm searching for QA. Throughout USA, now market is excellent, guys. So a lot of companies are increased their IT budget because of this COVID. After COVID, I see so many jobs in IT industry comparatively last year because everyone is working from home, right? So each and every company is spending more on IT. So many new projects are there in the market now. A lot of jobs I am seeing. So how many jobs? Oh my God, 18,000 QA jobs. I got the QA search results 18,000. Today, open open unfilled jobs in USA. So all are remote. Most of the jobs are remote. You can work from home for at least 1 year. After that also, you will be asked to work from home only. So let us pick any one of the job. For example, what is this job? Who gave the advertisement? This one, ICS, RAS, Geobot, Apex Systems. Who are they? They are all consulting companies. Robert Half, Judge Group. These are all consulting companies. They are not the clients, actual client. They are not the actual company where you will be working. For example, what is the actual company? For example, Walmart is the actual company, where you will be working. Through this Judge Group or through this Robert Half. You may be working for Bank of America through this vendor, Varick. So, what is the meaning? Actual companies won't give advertisement in this kind of job sites in general. In general, they won't see any job. They won't advertise any jobs here. Only in general, vendors who are supplying the manpower to those companies only give the advertisements. For example, let me to open one job position available here. First one, QA assurance analyst. I am opening. So what they are asking? They are asking so many tools like Microsoft TFS, Visual Studio, security clearance. Security clearance is a kind of, there is no criminal history for you. Telric, test plans, web QA, web standards. So many tools and technologies they are asking. Let me to show you one job advertisement copy pasted here from by Bank of America. Bank of America, this is the job advertisement given by Bank of America for their Plano, Texas location. What they want QA specialist. What they are asking? UFT, Selenium, Tosca, web services testing, SOAP, Agile, ALM, Jira, MySQL, Cucumber, like so many tools and technologies they are asking. Lot of technologies are required to know to apply for a position. It is compulsory to have all these tools and technologies on your resume. In the resume, if these keywords are not there, it is impossible to get the interview call. Minimum 70% keywords should be there in the resume to get the interview call. 70% of the keywords must be there. If they are not available, they won't call you for interview. You see, after having all the tools, after going to the workplace, you will be doing the manual testing only because automation is expensive. All companies cannot afford the automation. Just only 80% of the time only company can ask you to do the automation, manual testing, and remaining 20% they ask you to do the automation. So a manual tester position need automation skill also. So I will show you another job description. You see, these guys are asking for QA, Selenium, UFT, QTP, automation, ALM, HP companies ALM, JUnit. You see, lot of things they are asking. Everything must be there in the resume. If they are not available, it is difficult to get the interview call. So that's the reason I am saying that going forward, your learning roadmap is like this. You have to learn all those things. Okay, let us come back to the job search. Okay, so Bank of America, there is a position. Okay, let me to go to that Bank of America. 1 second. Bank of America, USA series. I'm going to career site of Bank of America. I'm opening the site. Just please wait. Why it is not opening? Showing connecting. I'm seeing the blank page. Why it's taking so much time? Performance problem. Bank of America server performance issue. It's loading slowly. If you are doing the performance testing, you have to check those things. In how many seconds my website is open? You have to check it. My page is open in how many seconds? Okay, let me to search for something like QA. QA keywords is QA. I am searching. No jobs. I think this site is not working. Oh no, I think in the wrong place. Zero relevant jobs. 1 second. Okay, here around 2,000 jobs are there in Bank of America. Let me to search for QA jobs in Bank of America. Around 32 jobs are there. 32 open positions in Bank of America. So, is this job advertised in dice.com? Is it available in the dice? No. They won't give the advertisement in dice. The reason is that if they give the advertisement, they have to pay money. Bank of America has to pay the money to dice.com, so they won't give the advertisement. It is available there in the intranet site only. So what we have to do, if you are really interested to get the job, you go to their intranet site, the career site, and apply there. One second. Why it is not open? Something went wrong. Why it did not open? Okay. Finally it opened. Here you have to go here and apply they have multiple locations: Charlotte, Plano, Texas, Pennington, New Jersey. Multiple locations, same job is there. So if you see this one, what tools and technologies they are asking, just do some research. It's a homework for you. Let me give you some homework. Find out the job positions and learn what they are asking. This is the quality assurance is the job title. For this, what they are asking, let us see. Please do your homework before joining the course. I strongly recommend to do your homework. What they are asking: Selenium, Cucumber, JavaScript, SQL, CI/CD concepts, QA, BA, regression testing, Jira. You see, what else? You see, so many things they have asked. Okay, read portal, Angular applications, HTML, Unix, shell scripting. What they left? Everything, whatever is available in this world, everything they have asked. Hadoop, Impala, Agile, finance background, so many things. It is impossible to have all the skill asked by these guys, but at least 70% it is possible to learn. No need to learn 100%. Please learn at least 70% and apply here. In general, no one will come and apply within the company's website. People go to DICE only in general. They won't go to Bank of America site and apply. So not only this, how many jobs are there in Bank of America? 2,000 jobs, right? How many jobs you have seen? More than 2,000 jobs are there in bank. If overall 2,035 jobs are there in Bank of America. All 2,035 jobs, are they available here? No. All 2,035 jobs, they did not give in the advertisement. You see, in general, companies won't, as I told you, companies won't give advertisements in the job set sites. So, one of the trick is that to get the interview calls quickly is that what you have to do? Go and apply in Fortune 500 companies. Let me show you. I'm trying to open Fortune 500 companies list here. Lot of people make a mistake here by depending on the job websites. In general, they will forget to, they have no idea about how to get the job search. You can do job search on your own, number one. On your own, you can do it, or number two, depend on the consulting companies. If you depend on the consulting companies, you will lose money. Okay, let me tell you once again. Own job search. Search on your own. Number two, through consulting companies. What is the disadvantage by going through consulting companies? You have to lose some billing rate, around 20 or 30%. Consulting companies will take away. If it is your own job search, you can be able to get all of your earnings to your pocket directly. You see here, the list of Fortune 500 companies are here. Let me show what is the number one company? Walmart. What is the Walmart revenue? 523 billions. $523 billion, 523 billions turnover. Actually, this is the revenue in millions. So this is 523 billions. Amazon 280, ExxonMobil 264 billions. So where is Bank of America in this list? I think it is around 25 or 28. 25th position is Bank of America. 25th position has more than 2,000 open jobs. Bank of America, we have more than 2,000 jobs. You see, if you count all the Fortune 500 company jobs, how many jobs are there? Thousands and thousands of the jobs are there. All jobs are not there in the DICE. You cannot find them in the DICE. So, if you apply directly in those individual company sites, it's easy to, where is that list? Okay. If you apply directly in these company websites, Walmart, Amazon, Exxon, Apple, CVS Health, Berkshire, go to their websites and apply. That is the easiest way of doing the job search. In general, no one will go do that one. They wanted to depend on Monster or Indeed or DICE only. So that's not a good practice for doing the job search. So this is one of the tips I am providing you. I will give you a lot of resume marketing tips going forward. You need not to write anything. I will send you a lot of resume marketing tips going forward. 1 second. These are all the resume marketing tips. How to market the resume on yourself. Those things I will explain you later. Okay. And do you need any reference books? Yes, it's nice to have the software engineering a practitioner approach book. Author is Rajesh Pressman. You can buy it in Amazon or library or biblio.com or Google also it is available. How many hours I need to study to face the client interview? I say that minimum 200 hours. Minimum 200 hours you have to study. So I will send you the study plan to all of you guys. Could you study this study plan for 1 minute? Please go through this for a minute, guys. 1 minute. Okay. So what I am saying that every day, please note down how many hours studied by you. For example, I am asking to study 8 hours. You study 2 hours. Enter here. And types of testing 10 hours I am asking to study. You studied 3 hours. So total 10 hours only you studied. 10 by 200. Minimum 200 hours overall. Before facing the interview. Just not in 5 weeks. To face the interview. To face the client interview, a minimum estimated time is 200 hours. You can do study in 1 month or 2 months or 3 months. That is up to you. I know that all of you are working or homemakers or doing part-time, full-time jobs. So it's not possible to study everything in 5 weeks. So whenever you study, write down. Make sure that you are up to the mark or not. If you feel that yes, I studied 200 by 200, very good. Then schedule the time with Madhu. I will conduct mock interview for you. It's a simulation of the actual interview. In the real time, what questions will be asked in the interview? In that style, I will ask you the questions and identify your weakness and explain you what mistakes you are doing and how to improve the subject, how to answer in interviews. That kind of help I can provide you. That is the objective of mock interview. What is the goal of mock interview? To get rid of interview fear. A lot of people have interview. You may not be able to clear the interview if your mock interviews are not attended. So it is highly recommended to attend the mock interview. It's a kind of self-evaluation where you are. Okay. So that is a study plan. Because so many hours are there, never ever give up. How much salary can I expect? This is the main discussion for us. You can do your research on glassdoor.com or payscale.com. Let me give the details quickly. How much money you can make if you are a manual tester or business analyst, if you are on a green card or a PR or a citizenship or employment authorization document with 5 years of the experience. Full time get minimum 70K per year as base salary, 5 to 10% bonus, paid vacation, 401K in USA, RRSP in Canada, sick leave, health insurance, life insurance, tuition fee refund, everything together 100K per year. Cost to company. If it is a contract job, $40 to $50 per hour. If it is a QTP automation job, full timers get 80K per year. And QTP contract 50 to 55 per hour. Automation Selenium 90K per year, contract 65 to 70. If you are a software development engineer in test, full timers get 100K as a base salary plus benefits, contract 70 to 80K, $80 per hour. Why QA manual testers are required to learn automation tools? Is it required? Is it required to learn automation? Yes, compulsory. All manual testers are required to learn automation. Here question from Pooja. QA manual tester in Canada is going to same for entry level jobs. Yeah, we can discuss this separately, Pooja, if you call me tomorrow. There are jobs for entry level, experienced beginners, co-ops, different styles of jobs are available. We can discuss separately based on your educational qualification, work experience, domain knowledge, your visa status. So many factors are there to discuss that one. Okay, please note all manual testers and BAs are required to run automation scripts. How to run the automation script? Just click on run button. It's a push button. To how you play the video in our mobile, just click on this play button, right? That means you are running. You are running the video by clicking this push button. This is the run command. By clicking run button, you can be able to run the automation scripts. So all manual and VAs are required to run the automation scripts. No need to write the automation code. To run it, you have to supply the test data. Okay. After running the script, you have to analyze the execution results. Just like a car driver. Car driver should know how to fill the gas, how to fill the air, and how to do the minimum maintenance. Car driver, what is the job of car driver? Car driver should be able to fill the gas, fill the air, and minimum maintenance. No need to know how to manufacture the car. Car driver is not required to know how to manufacture the car, right? Similarly, manual tester, no need to write the code. You should know how to supply the test data, how to run it, how to analyze the scripts. That's all. Just with a single statement, let me to tell something. No tool, no job. Forget about the QA job. Tool is a weapon for manual tester to win the job hunting war. You are going to war, job hunting war. Can you go to war without a tool? Is it possible to win a war without the tool? No, you need to have multiple tools. To win the war, lot of tools are required. If no weapon, you will defeat in the job hunting war. And another question asked by you guys, how is the job market for testers or BAs? As I told you, lot of IT investment is increased comparatively 2019. Last year and this year, 2020 and 2021, because of the pandemic, so many new projects are introduced with the help of IoT, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, so many things. In general, any software life is maximum 5 years. After 5 years, we announce end of the life for any software. Have you used any software for more than 5 years? For example, your mobile, you are using a smartphone, right? Are you using more than 5 years? No. Just 2 years. Why 2 years? Because your cell phone provider is giving the free phone. That your networking guy, cell phone guy like Bell or AT&T, these kind of companies are giving the free phone, so you are throwing the old mobile. But in that mobile, they have new apps every year, upgraded apps. Technology is changing drastically. Okay, I think you have seen this video on Amazon Go. I'm not sure whether you have seen or not. Let me to play this video quickly for you. What is Amazon Go? Amazon Go is a new concept by Amazon for doing the shopping. In this Amazon Go shop, there is no billing associate. Billing associates are not there in this shop. Just with the help of artificial intelligence, sensor fusion technologies, this will work. Just when entering into the store, you will swipe the mobile app. That's all. Then you will be identified that you are picking some items. When you enter into the store, in the entrance, you just swipe your mobile app. That's all. Done. Okay. When you add item to your bag, that sensor fusion technology identify that what item you have picked up and that will add to your bag. You change the mind, put it back, that will be removed. Again change the mind, that will be added to your cart. That's all. It's very simple. No queue for bill payment. So the help of deep learning sensor fusion technologies, they are making it possible. you will see this kind of technology everywhere going forward. It's already implemented in Amazon in their Seattle office, and everyone will see this kind of technology very soon. Okay, so what is the meaning? Lot of new things are coming up every day, like a driverless car. A lot of testing is required in that one. Okay, image capture testing. For example, this is how you are depositing a check nowadays. Go back to 20 years. 20 years ago, how you are depositing a check? You are going to teller in a bank physically and depositing a check. How you are depositing a check 15 years ago? You are going to ATM machine to deposit a check. What about from last 5 years? Only app. Just take the photo of this check and deposit through your mobile. That's it. How it is possible? Because of image capture technology. So here 117.48 is there, right? It will software will read whether what is the amount on this check, and it will ask you confirmation. Hey, customer, please confirm, is it 117.48 or not? You have to type yes or no. That's it. Done. Automatically it will be deposited in a bank. To test this one, how many people are hired? Mobile deposit. Mobile deposit feature. This feature is mobile deposit feature. How many people are hired by Bank of America? For example, one. Assume that only one person is hired by Bank of America. One tester. How many banks are there throughout USA? So many banks. Like Chase Bank, PNC Bank, TD Bank. Thousands of the banks are there if you count federal unions. There are so many cooperative banks, federal banks are, digital federal banks are available. So thousands of the testers are required in USA. What about throughout the world? Oh, throughout the world, okay. So many thousands of jobs are there. So many thousands of testers are required to test this one. That means for a single feature tester, we need thousands of the testers. Similarly, smartwatch banking. You see, this kind of smartwatch bank testing, thousands of the testers are required. Same bank account you have to test on the cell phone. Okay, that too, cell phone. So many are there. iPhones, Android phones, BlackBerry. So many brands are there. You have to test on the watches, Apple Watch, Android watches. You have to test on the ATMs, website. Oh, so many hundreds of the testers and thousands of the testers are required per bank. In a single Bank of America, you can find thousands of the software testers. Imagine how many people are required throughout the world and in all Fortune 500 companies. No need to worry about the jobs, whether jobs are there or not. No need to worry. Thousands and thousands of software jobs are available, testing jobs. To get the job, you have to have the skill. Knowledge is power. To gain the best knowledge, I recommend to do the certification. Certification is a benchmark for your skill set, but it is not compulsory to get the job. Certification is not compulsory to get the job, but sometimes it is the game changer. When you see the job advertisements, they ask you to have the certification on ISTQB or CSTE. These kind of the advertisements you see. So I strongly recommend you guys to do certification. Again, it's not compulsory. Okay, let me give some action item for you guys. Every day I record the videos and upload to the website, and I will then you can be able to download the videos from the website. For that, what you have to do, register as a student, go to getsoftwareservice.com and click on this one, the subscription plan. 1 second, let me to walk through. What you have to do is that, this is a getsoftwareservice.com, right? Click on students and 1 second. Okay. What do I have to do? Go to here from the menu, students and register. Then you can be able to register yourself. No need to pay anything just for registration. What is the purpose? Purpose of registration is that to get the access of the website. I will show you something. Okay, once you log in from the student, you can find what is your batch. For example, 16th April or 21st May, that will be shown up once you register. When you when you log in, you can find all the videos of the previous batches or previous class. Every day, I record the video and upload to the website. Here you can find the date wise, 16th, 17th, 18th, like this. Every day videos you can find in the website. There is advantage if you register there. Okay, please register there. I will send you this link to all of you guys now through chat message, and you will also receive this in the running notes also. I will be sending you the running notes, right? So if you want the running notes, please type your email address in chat message. If you already typed it, no need to worry. No, I will send you whoever give me the email address. That is your action item for today. Any questions so far? Questions, comments, concerns, suggestions? Okay, we'll give you the remote lab access on HP, Quality Center, QTP, Unix, Selenium, SQL, Jira Cloud, Jenkins, JIT, these kind of the tools. However, we will install the required tools and technologies on your home computer also. If you face any technical problems to do the practice, I can remotely log into your computer and fix the issues. What we do? Installation of the tools. We install the tools on your home computer. Okay, that is one thing. Technical support for lab practice. If you face any technical problems, I can remotely connect to your home computer and fix the issues. That is technical support. We'll also give you the on-job support. Real time, if you have any issues at our workplace, we'll provide you on-job support also. We will give you the homework from tomorrow. Every day, we'll give you the homework. That is up to you. If you wanted to do the homework or not. In your school or college, normally your teacher or professor was giving you the homework every day, right? So I never did my homework. I'm a lazy guy, so I never submitted my homework on time to my professor. So if you are like me, no need to worry. No pain, no gain. If you are not interested to do homework, you won't learn the subject. I am not here force you to do something, just like a high school headmaster. So if you do the homework, you will get the benefit. So after this course, you can be able to apply for all these job titles. If you are automation tester, you can apply for all these job titles. Okay, if you are a performance tester, you can apply for all these job titles. Now, so many job titles are there: mobile tester, web service tester, backend tester, SAP, PeopleSoft, Civil. Oh my God, so many specializations. Yes, lot of specializations are there in testing also, similar to medical and medical field. MBBS doctor, initially MBBS doctor has to study MBBS, right? After that, they go for the specialization like ophthalmology, gynecology, ENT, cardiology, like this. So many specializations are there. Whatever may be the case, base is MBBS. Base is MBBS. After that only they can go for the specialization. Similarly, QA is the base. QA manual testing is the base. After QA manual testing, you can go for any specialization. What are the specializations given here? Manual automation testing, performance testing, web services testing, these kind of specializations you can do. I can explain you all those things step by step. Okay, if you are applying for a BA, no, these are all the BA job titles. Whatever may be the case, 3P3R is our technique. We never forget the 3P3R technique. And now today I have explained you so many concepts today. You did not understand 100%, right? So don't worry. Play this recorded video. I will send you this recorded video. Play, pause, practice, and repeat, repeat, repeat. Repeat the video 3 times. Play, pause, practice. Okay, don't expect to understand everything in the class itself. After the class, play the recorded video and see why you did not understand. If that is the case, I will set up one-on-one discussion with you and explain all of your questions. So let us stop this here, guys. Tomorrow is May 22nd, right? Tomorrow morning we have 9 a.m. We have QA class, SQL class and web services also. 11 a.m. Just follow the timetable given here. As per the timetable, you can attend the classes. Whoever may be the trainer, Madhu is the point of contact for all technical and non-technical questions. It could be doubts clarification or homework review or resume preparation, mock interviews or placement assistance or on-job support. Contact Madhu only. No need to contact the trainer. Trainers may be, in this Excel sheet, you can find who is the trainer for each and every class. You can find the trainer names. But after the class, Madhu is the point of contact. During the class timing, you can contact the trainer. But after the class, I am available at these numbers. These are all my direct numbers. You have WhatsApp number and landline number here. So don't send me any messages to this landline. This is the cell phone. You can send me the message to cell phone. I'm available from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. during weekdays. You can call weekends anytime. So tomorrow, manual testing class is conducted by Meghana. From 4th week and 5th week of manual testing, 4th and 5th week of manual testing will be conducted by Sri. Okay, so let us meet tomorrow morning 9 a.m. Eastern time for SQL class. Any questions? Okay, we never, in general, we maintain that time, on time we will start the classes and on time we will finish it. We never miss any schedule so far. Hope that for your batch also, everything will be finished on time. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm done for the day, and I know that it's a Friday night, and weather is very good. Tomorrow you have a lot of plans to go outing, and you plan accordingly based on your priority. If you want to go outing, you can do it, or otherwise after the class you can do as per your wish. Okay, fine, guys. So I'm done for the day. Let us meet tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern time. Thank you. Have a good night. Bye bye. Please call me tomorrow anytime.
Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.